Hello people, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show you the way how to remove emoji from photo. So today I would like to show you with Capcut application. So here I already have a Capcut application on my phone, and now to edit the photo we just need to jump into this upper side. Here you will see a photo editor, and then you just need to click it, and you just need to choose the picture that containing the emoji on it, and after that you just need to go click edit. And now you need to wait until your project is ready, and whenever it's ready, now you just need to jump into this shapes button, and after that you just need to find the shapes that you can use. Since here the emoji has a round shape, so I would like to use the round shapes too. And whenever we're done, you just need to go click this done button, and now we just need to drag these circles into the top of the emoji part until it's covered it. Okay, and now we need to style in it by changing the color. So you just need to go click this style, and after that we just need to click this color picker, and now we just need to drag this color part into the specific color that we want to use. And after you're done, you just need to go click done. Okay, now you got the emoji covered. It must be not that perfect, but it's kind of help you to hide the emoji on your picture. So that's the way how to remove emoji on a picture. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. So don't forget to leave some comment, like, and subscribe into this channel, and I'll see you for the next video.